Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this Beetlejuice Halloween makeup look, and I am going to start off by using the Mayron palette and using this white. It's water activated paints, and I'm going to put that all over my face. So I'm using this white because if you've seen the movie Beetlejuice, then he is just a very pale guy and he's pretty much dead, so you think of a pale white face. And I wanted to bring it down my body. So as you can see, I am putting more of the white all over my chest. I just felt, I don't know if it was the brush that was making it like streaky. It wasn't an even coating of it. So that's why I went back in with to see if a beauty blender would help, and it was doing the same stuff, just not taking in some spots and being real streaky, and I just couldn't get it to work. So I just took it off of my face, and then I'm just going to start from the beginning on my face. So since I did not have a pale enough foundation, I'm just taking my Jeffree Star concealer in C5, and I'm just literally slathering that all over my face because I thought that would probably be the palest thing I could use since the Mayron paint was not working. So I was like, why not just use the concealer? Nothing wrong with that. There are no rules. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer, just pretty much for more coverage. And I'm putting that all over my face where I put the Jeffree Star concealer, and then also under my eyes and also down my neck to blend everything together. So now I'm doing my brows, and I'm just going to use my normal pomade that I normally use, and it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Dark Brown. So now I'm going to work on the eyes, and I'm taking the Lime Crime Venus Immortals palette, and I'm taking this gray shade, and pretty much I did it wherever you would contour or bronze. And now I'm going in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro 1 palette with this purple. And I'm going to put that all over in the crease, pretty high up, because you want to make it look like it's dark circles, like big dark circles. And so I put that up there, and then I'm also working it down in the lower lash line and just really blowing out that shadow. This palette is just absolutely amazing. These shadows just, I can't even say, it just like blends like a dream. I love it. It worked really well for this look. So now I'm taking a black shadow from the palette and really deepening up the crease, like a lot. Like I'm packing this black up in there in the crease and on the lower lash line. So now I'm taking the LA Girl, I think it's Glide On Gel Liner, and it's in the black shade. And I'm just putting that in my waterline and in my tight line, so that way you don't see any gaps of skin. So now I am taking the NYC liquid liner. This is probably one of my favorite liquid liners. I just buy mine off Amazon because I can never find it in stores anymore. So I just put that, just a thin line right at the lash line. So now I'm just putting some mascara on my lower lashes. This is the MAC Giga Black, I think I said that right, Giga Black Extended Play Lash Mascara. This is my favorite for the lower lash line because it's such a small wand. And then for the top lashes, I'm just taking my L'Oreal Lash Paradise and just putting a thin coat on my lashes. So this is the part where a lot of shading is coming into play. So I'm taking this green from the Norvina Pro 2 palette, and I'm kind of just being messy with this green. I'm not really being too precise. Just putting it along the perimeters of my face and just kind of smudging it and everywhere. So now I'm taking this darker green. It's from Sugar Pill, and I believe that's the shade Midori. And I'm kind of overlapping that on the first green that we used to kind of give depth to the green. And then I wanted to get a lighter green, so I'm using another Sugar Pill eyeshadow. I think this is Acid Berry, and I'm kind of just smudging it where I smudged the greens. I probably blended and shaded and everything. I want to say for maybe 40 minutes. I mean, you don't see that in this video, but it was a long time. So now I wanted to take my big fluffy brush with no product on it. Just wanted to kind of brush it around all over where I did the greens and everything because I wanted it to look really blended. So now from the same palette, I'm taking like this brown shade and I'm just even adding more depth to the look. I just really wanted it to look gross and nasty because if you've seen the movie, that's kind of he looks. So when I was using this brown shade and going over those greens and stuff, I noticed that some of the shadows were being very patchy and rubbing off. So that's why I'm like literally going back and forth with the greens and light green, dark greens, and back in with brown just to kind of fix it all up. And now I'm going in with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick and You Better Work. And this purple is just so beautiful. Alright guys, I'm back and this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, so put that green stuff in my hair. Got all over my hands and I was trying to spray it in. This is the completed Beetlejuice look. I'm loving it. I think I did pretty good and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.